Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to talk about Spell Token. I'm going to do a in-depth review about Spell Token where I share what Spell Token really is. So you want to pay close attention to this video here. What is Spell Token? So what exactly is Spell Token? Spell is a reward token associated with abracadabra money. A lending platform that's making waves in the crypto world. abracadabra uses interest-bearing tokens, 𝐅𝐵𝐞𝐻, as collateral to borrow a USD pegged stablecoin called Magic Internet Money, for short MIM. They've harnessed the 𝐂𝐫𝐲 lending technology, pioneering by SushiSwap, to provide isolated lending markets. These markets allow users to manage their risk based on the collateral they decide to use. Users can deposit collateral and borrow MIM against it. Additionally, abracadabra offers yield farming opportunities where users can stake their liquidity provider LP tokens to farm Spell. Now we're going to go into the minds behind Spell Token, but before we do that, make sure you actually take and use Bitflex and Bybit links, because I think it's the best bonus rewards online on the internet on Bitflex and Bybit. So use those links. You have to use the actual link to get those bonuses. So the minds behind Spell Token. Abracadabra operates in a unique way. It's not an official decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, but it is instead governed through a snapshot page. Spell Token are minted through a 6x10 multi-signature contract that's managed by a group of partially pseudonymous individuals. These key figures include representatives from Yarn Finance, Cream Finance, 𝐂𝐫𝐲 Token, 𝐂𝐫𝐿, Convex Finance, Wonderland, and Abracadabra, and even many more. Now we come to a very interesting part and the actual unique features of Spell Token. One of the standout features of Spell is the use of 𝐂𝐲 lending technology, which has revolutionized decentralized finance lending. In abracadabra's isolated lending markets, risk is not shared collectively. This means that users can provide liquidity for any token, and if something goes wrong, only that specific pair is affected, not the entire platform. This flexibility allows abracadabra to offer various pairs not supported by most other decentralized exchanges. Furthermore, users can leverage their interest-bearing token positions, creating loops to increase their leverage, all in a single transaction. This efficiency minimizes gas fees. Spell Token supply and governance. The total supply of Spell Token is 210 billion, with 210 billion having been burnt after token generation. This distribution is divided as follows: 63% for global farming incentives, 30% for team allocation with a 4-year vesting schedule, 7% for the initial DEX offering. Additionally, Spell is used as a governance token with voting power determined by the amount staked. Security and multi-chain approach. Abracadabra operates on a multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Avalanche, Phantom, and Arbitrum. Ethereum, as one of the most popular blockchains, is known for its robust security. Avalanche uses a direct acyclic graph (DAG) protocol. Phantom boasts its own consensus mechanism, and Arbitrum is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Now we have come to a very interesting part of this video, and many of you out there probably ask, is Spell token going to reach $1 in the future or the near future? So the big question is, because can Spell token hit $1? Given its enormous total supply, it's unlikely to reach $1 on its own. However, factors such as community decisions to burn more tokens and further integrations with other protocols could potentially drive Spell value higher. It's already on an impressive uptrend, and while it might not reach $1 soon, it's showing a great promise. So now we are going to check out the actual price of one Spell token. So one Spell token is worth 0.0005143. And the last day it's gone up 7%, the last 7 days, last month. Yeah, so it's gone up 7% the last couple of days. So in my opinion, I would actually take a closer look at this token and save it in my file and try to see the future of the coin. So I take a look at the coin over maybe a week or two to see when the best prices is possible to buy that token. And you make sure to subscribe to my channel, because when I am going to buy this token, I will share it with my subscribers first. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hope you all have a great day, and make sure you learn as much as humanly possible, and eventually you will learn, my friend. Have a great day. Take care.